Step two in progress. Let's break it down and talk what this means and how long it takes. Okay, so if you know you have reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour or 10 million views on your YouTube short, YouTube will email you, tell you that you are qualified to apply for YouTube partnership program. So they will, when you click on apply, you see step one, you see step two, you still see step three. But before you go on with other steps, you do it step by step. So in step one, it's very simple. It's for you to accept YouTube partnership program terms and conditions. That's the step one. That one is very easy. So in step two is for you to set up your AdSense account for your YouTube payments. So if your step one is done, then move on to step two. Click on it, fill all your access account detail, make sure that what you fill is very correct. Okay, then you have to hold on and wait for access to approve your access account. So in this one now, waiting for long, that's where the problem is. Normal access account doesn't take less than 24 hours for them to approve it. Mine takes 10 days without knowing what is the problem of the account. So what I did was this. I waited and waited to 10 days. I said, no, maybe something is wrong. I went to YouTube channel to search concerning AdSense videos, all the AdSense in progress, how people solve their problem. I couldn't even solve my own through their videos. I searched, mainly all the video there is Indian. And I'm from Nigeria, I cannot hear what they are saying. So I keep on searching, asking people, chatting people. Some said I should pay money for them to help me. So I said no. In 9 days, I said, okay, what I'll do is this. Let me go and check all my Gmail accounts. Let me know if I have any issue or if I have created any account before. So I started searching all my Gmail accounts. I noticed that I created two AdSense accounts. One pumped out and said that the account is deactivated due to inadequate use for 6 months. I didn't even know that I've created one before. So I was thinking what to do. I went in search and I entered back to the same access account using the same email that they have deactivated. So I entered and logged in. I went straight and delete permanently. I deleted it permanently. The second one I did the same. I deleted permanently. So I applied with new Gmail account. It was showing process for 9 days. So in that 9 days, when I deleted the two old accounts that I didn't know that I have my two Gmail accounts, when I deleted it, lo and behold, within 24 hours, my AdSense account was approved. My AdSense account was approved. So guys, the normal approval for AdSense account, normally if everything is okay, is within 24 hours. It's very simple. If your own is more than 3 days, 5 days, 10 days, 1 month, still in progress, something is wrong. You have to find out what is wrong. There definitely is going to be rejected. How I wish I didn't find my own early. Definitely mine is going to be rejected. So if you know your own is still in progress, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, go in search and know what is the problem. Go in search and know what is the problem. My name is Blessing. In this video, I create YouTube tips, lifestyle and mukbang. So if you know you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, YouTube will notify you to watch. So guys, to solve this problem is very easy. It's very easy. Some people that I watch, they say they chatted YouTube, they replied them, I didn't do all those things. I went ahead in search of my Gmail account to know if I have created. How will you do that? Go to your Gmail account, straight to your Gmail account. In the search bar there, type Google AdSense. If you have created any Google AdSense in the past, it will come out. Search, make sure you search all your email. Okay, guys. Make sure you check all your Gmail accounts to be sure that you didn't create any AdSense account before now. Okay, and if you are a new YouTuber, make sure you don't create any AdSense account until the day YouTube will tell you to apply for monetization. That's very, very important. Don't create any AdSense account if you know you are a YouTuber. Let it be the day that you applied so that your own will be very easy. Okay, so if you know you are having same problem and you don't know how to solve it, this is the easiest way. Why it's still in progress is because maybe you have a duplicate account. That's very simple. If you have a duplicate account, they are not going to approve that step 2. And without step 2, you are not going to step 3. So you have to be careful when you are doing anything with AdSense account. If you know you have created before, if you still know the password, you can use it to open to monetize your YouTube account. As long as you know everything, all the details you use in it, you can still use it there. And you can use one access account for the whole YouTube channel that you have for your payment. It's very easy. It's very easy and simple. So guys, please hit the subscribe button. If you know you are watching this video, give this video a thumbs up and share for others to benefit from it. Okay, for those that is passing through in progress, I passed through it. Even my own Nigeria person, I was asked to pay money for her to help me solve this problem. Guys, it's not easy. It's not easy. So I want you to try it this way and you will see that your AdSense account will approve within 24 hours. It's very simple. So guys, see you guys on my next video. Try and hit that like button. Like the video. Okay guys, that's the only way YouTube will push this video for others to watch. And also comment that down below guys. Okay, don't mind my speaking. Comment down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye.